Hello guys, good day. I hope you're fine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're old, thank you for always staying. Um I'm going to share a full wash day after taking down my braids. Something um already posted. So this is a video aftermath my full wash day. So this is when I am deep conditioning, like I'm deep conditioning my hair after the full wash day. So I'm using this 30 minutes, or maybe, yeah, we wouldn't get to 30 minutes, but this little period I've got for my deep condition to share with you some hair essentials, new hair essentials I got for myself in this hair care journey. So when you see me using them, you wouldn't be like, where did she get this stuff? So let's head into the video. So the first hair essential or gadget I got for myself is something some of you already know. It's a hot air tool. This is how it looks. This is something most of the natural hair girls use. I hope I'm being heard. Okay, so this is what most of the natural hair girls use on their hair. This tool, when you're using it, we have how you turn it off: low, medium, and high setting. So most of the time I set it on a middle part setting. So, and one thing I would advise, this is for natural hair girls most of the time, but my relaxed hair girls, if you want to use this, please make sure that your hair is about 80% dry before you go in with this. The first time I tried this, my whole hair was like stripped off because I use it on my wet hair. That is after using my leave-in conditioner. My hair was not even a little bit dry. Yeah, so I got a lot of hair loss using this on my first use. But as I use this on the second day or the second time, I made sure that my hair was about 80% dry, and then when I tried it, I didn't lose even a single hair. And put it on a medium heat, else it's going to cause a lot of heat damage to your hair. So I use this kind of once in a month. I don't use a lot of heat. If you know this channel, or if you are old here, you know that we love air drying and blow drying more than these hot air stuff. But when you want to get your hair a little bit straight, you know, when you want to wear your hair blonde, you can get this. Yeah, so this is actually the first tool that I got, and the second tool that I have got is this. We got this blow dryer. We have this. For a nice dry. Have a comb attachment. Yeah. And this, I really don't know what this is for, but I see parting. Is it parting? It's like mostly for the natural hair girls. If you want to do a wash and go, you put the hair in there and then the curls do not come out in a way. That's what I think. But if you have any idea about what this is used for, let me know in the comment section. We got a new applicator bottle here. So this is going to be used for our hot oil treatments, our flaxseed gel treatments, whatever treatments, our oiling and everything. So stay tuned for them. And we also got some new rollers. These rollers, we got these in 3 packs. I don't know if it's visible, but we got these rollers as well. So these are the hair essentials, or some of the things I got in my hair care journey. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.